Hey there tech enthusiasts, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leo and today we're going to be talking about one question that is pretty common when it comes to the IT industry. And that question is, do I have to go to college to become a programmer? Spoiler alert, the short answer is no, you don't. First up, the short answer is no, you don't need to go to college to become a programmer. In fact, many successful programmers are self-taught, attended coding bootcamps, or learned through online courses. The tech industry actually values skills and experience over formal education, and here's why. The most important thing in programming is the ability to solve problems and write code efficiently. Companies care about what you can do, not just what you've studied. Platforms like GitHub, where you can showcase your projects, and LinkedIn, where you can highlight your skills, are incredibly valuable. We live in a time where you have access to countless resources online. Websites like Codecademy, Coursera, Udemy, and FreeCodeCamp offer fantastic resources that can take you from beginner to a proficient coder. YouTube, of course, is a goldmine when it comes to tutorials and free knowledge. But there are some scenarios where college can give you a significant edge. Let's look at a few of these. College provides a structured environment where you can learn systematically. If you're someone who struggles with self-discipline, this structure can be beneficial. Professors can guide you through complex topics and provide valuable feedback. College can be a great place to meet like-minded individuals, join clubs, and participate in hackathons. Networking is crucial in the tech world, and college can offer a built-in network of peers and professors who can support your career. While many tech companies prioritize skills over degrees, some roles, especially in larger, more traditional companies, still require bachelor degrees in computer science or a related field. If you're aiming for such positions, a degree might be necessary. So, what's the best path for you? It depends on your personal circumstances, learning style, and your career goals. If you thrive in a structured environment and value the traditional college experience, then pursuing a degree could be the right choice. On the other hand, if you're motivated, disciplined, and prefer a more flexible, cost-effective approach, self-learning or bootcamps might be perfect for you. Remember, the key is continuous learning and practical experience. Build projects, contribute to open source, and keep improving your skills. The tech industry is constantly evolving and staying up to date is crucial. This is it for today, and thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there is a topic that you'd like me to cover next. Until the next time, keep coding and stay curious.